Send it! Woo! Hitting the double, hitting the triple. Nice. It's a twin star shot. Safety first. Always wear your helmet, kids. Safety first, kids. That's enough. Uh-oh. Somebody called Johnny. Keep your eyes, fellas, on this absolutely stunning Honda Twin Star. Owned by a little old lady, only ridden to church on Sunday. Please watch the video for full description. Getting stronger, getting stronger.
Oh man. Oh God.
This is Honda. One of
Good. Vernon! Peeve as a shop manager, the mirrors always come loose in the ride, you know?
Hey, well, they got to be loose, so when you go down in the dirt, you know, it just bends up instead of snapping your lever.
It's the details that matter.
Yeah, we got to get back out on the course, man.
Oh no.
So you're here to look at the 185 to purchase it? Okay. Junior wants to give you a little riding demo. Okay.
Absolutely.
Go ahead. Show her how it runs, Skinny.
It's peppy, isn't it? He's going to demonstrate the fine braking.
stops on a dime.
The brakes are really good. What do you think?
It's awesome.
You want to try it out now?
Yeah, that's
I'll try. Hop on.
I had a Honda mini bike as a kid.
You had a mini bike? Which one?
Honda 50.
Nice.
Honda 175.
Moses, you want to try it? He's going to go for the first test ride.
The hips on 2 up.
One down, 4 up.
One down.
He's got this.
We just met him, so we don't know how good he is.
Yeah, we don't even know who he is. He came with you guys, so he must be okay, right?
Yeah, he's all right.
You got a good vibe on them, so. You did?
Yeah.
What do you think? We got a sale here?
I think it runs.
Ridden only by Junior to church on Sunday. To church going boy. Low miles too. On the hill, but on the level. Thanks for watching, and God bless America.